Yo, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to an episode of Life Made Easy. And today, guys, I thought it'd be a fun, entertaining video for you guys if I did a quick setup tour of my current setup. And yeah, let's get right into it. So, got this chair, pretty comfy chair. Got the Boston Red Sox cushion right there. Pretty nice cushion. I think it's memory foam. Moving on, got my phone here. I don't know, I just keep this around just so I can like check notifications, check on YouTube comments, stuff like that. Always gotta have that around. Got the microphone I use right here. I don't remember the specific name for it, but I got this off Amazon for only like 22 bucks, and it's worked out great so far. Some of my recordings have been from this, and yeah, it's been great. Moving along, got the Onikuma K6 or something like that. This is their like gaming headsets, RGB if you plug in the USB. Cable for power, and then it just has a normal little aux cable which you plug in the Xbox controller and you'll get game audio out of that. For my Xbox controller, just standard Xbox One controller, and I do have the chat adapter right here, so you can like mute it or whatever and increase game volume, party volume, and volume up down. I also have like this old Control Freak for Xbox One. I use that just like help with aim and stuff. If you guys like Control Freaks, they do help with your aim slightly. I wouldn't say it's a drastic difference, but it's pretty solid. Got my monitor right here. Monitor's pretty solid too. I did have an Acer one, but I actually switched it out. Now I have Dell. This is a 21.5 inch, I think it's gloss 1080p monitor. This is really solid, good contrast ratio, I gotta say. My Acer one that I've used in the past, if you guys have seen in videos, has also been really solid too. This one, really nice, and it has a good bezel-less design. What's next? Obviously, the camera I used to film, I usually like keep right here. So I'm filming on my Canon 330HS ELPH series. Here, got the laptop, Dell 7559 4K edition. Currently have it on 1080p though, just to like save battery life and whatnot. You don't always need like a 4K panel on a laptop just because it's only like a 15.6 inch display. But yeah, this is a gaming laptop, sort of like a gaming laptop. It's got i7. Let me just have that focus. Come on. Here we go, i7 and GeForce GTX 960M. So it's a decent graphics card. Good for video editing and good for recording, stuff like that. Got my Xbox down below here. Xbox One's just chilling there. I don't have too much here. I got these Logitech speakers that I use. I don't know what the name of these are, but these are pretty good sounding. Got for Walmart for like 20 bucks or something. Pretty affordable. Everything here is like pretty affordable. You guys can pick this stuff up. It's all really basic equipment. Equipment these days for like live streaming and all that is not nearly as expensive as it used to be. So that's a good thing for you guys. Capture cards used to be a ton of money. I did get my capture card. It's right here. Got the mirror box. It's upside down. It's kind of annoying, but it's the mirror HD video capture USB 3.0 edition of the mirror box capture card. Can do 1080p 60 FPS, and I got that going to OBS right here. So I'll be playing my game here, and then it'll show up here right on the screen, and I can live stream. I'm probably gonna do a live stream tonight. Also, guys, if you're new, subscribe, turn on notifications, do all that good stuff. And if you want to see gaming content, I will be live streaming on my second channel known as Gaming Made Easy. Yeah, Gaming Made Easy. I'll put the link down that below. I've uploaded 2 videos on that channel already, so that's awesome. And I look forward to live streaming. Probably live stream some like Apex Legends, Fortnite, stuff like that. Call of Duty maybe. Anything you guys want to see. But yeah, guys, that's basically my setup. I don't have anything like too extreme here. Got sunglasses right here that I wear in some videos. I mean, pretty basic. I also have like a Xbox controller battery pack here that I haven't used this in a while, but I can use that so I can have wireless controllers. I currently only have like batteries in mine though. Yeah. So yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you, I don't know, just straight up enjoyed it. If you're new here, subscribe to our notifications. Go follow me on my social medias linked below. Go subscribe to my new channel, Gaming Made Easy. Do all that good stuff, and I appreciate every one of you watching this. I'll see you guys in the next one. Leave comments down below on future uploads that you guys want to see. Always down for feedback. Peace. Peace.